What's going on, Vivo Y50 phone users? This tutorial here, I'm going to show you how to connect the Vivo Y50 phone with a Samsung Smart TV. So first, be sure that both the Vivo phone and your Samsung Smart TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi router, as that's how it should work. And then next up, in your quick panel access for the Vivo phone, be sure that you have fast access to screencast so that when it's time to use the screencast feature, you can quickly use the quick panel access and access it there. You can use the edit option to find the screencast and pull it up into the control center so that it could be available when the time comes. Now with all that said and done, next up with your Samsung TV, you want to grab that remote control and press on the source button, as this way works for me the best. So as you do that, you'll see this menu pop up with all the sources. You want to go over to where it says connection guide. So enter into that. Next up, when this window shows up, you want to go to where it says smartphone, because we're connecting a smartphone. And as you enter into that, you want to select smart view or screen sharing. So enter into that. You'll see the connection guide prompt. Go ahead and press next or go over, then select setup now. And as you enter into setup now, you'll see the device list window show up. And now is the time to go back to your Vivo phone and use the screencast feature. So once again, you want to use the quick panel access, find screencast. When you see it, long press it. So hold it down until it takes you to the main settings. This way you can see what's going on. It's searching. You'll press the word settings. That'll take you into it. And from here on, you will notice that nothing's showing up. So you want to press on the dots up there to the top and press enable wireless display. So check that on. And as you do that, you'll see how the Samsung TV appears right there. So tap on it. When it shows up, it will show you the connection that it's running. And then you want to pay attention to the top right of your Samsung TV. You'll see the option to allow, deny, or close. Of course, you're going to go with allow so that they can connect to each other, or that the phone can screencast to your TV. Then you'll see that connecting to Vivo and the name of your Vivo phone. And just wait for it to load up. And once you have gotten it all set and done correctly, you should see this. You'll see exactly what's on your phone in both the portrait mode. And if you have the auto rotate enabled, then you should be able to enter into landscape mode when you have your phone in landscape mode. All right, so make sure the auto rotate is turned on, that right there. And of course, if you enter into landscape mode, let's say you're just browsing a app or surfing the net and you enter it into landscape mode, everything should as well enter into landscape mode. And just keep in mind, depending on how strong your Wi-Fi connection is, will give you the better experience or the worst experience. So if your internet is very slow at the time you're watching a video, you'll notice a lot of delay and a lot of lag, and it looks all glitchy on your screen. So the best time to do this is if you have very strong Wi-Fi connection, to get the best experience possible. But if not, and you just want to simply browse some of the internet, then maybe that would be good. But to watch videos and whatnot, then you might notice a lot of off sync and notice that there is a lot of lag going on. But of course, as always, if this tutorial was helpful in any way, please do hit that like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications if you are new to my channel. And let me know in the comment section if you have any difficulties. Maybe I could help you, or maybe I can point you into the right direction. And that's that. So thanks for watching, and see you. Catch you in the next one.